Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Bank of Jamaica has increased the policy interest rate by 0.5%. Effective tomorrow, Wednesday, March 30, the rate offered to deposit-taking institutions on overnight deposits will stand at 4.5%. The bank's Monetary Policy Committee has continued to increase the rate in a bid to curb inflation, which was 10.7% for the 12 months up to February 2022. The BOJ is hoping that the rate increase, which will tighten liquidity, will also reduce inflation, which continues to exceed the target range of 4 to 6%. The new rate will be held until May 19 this year. First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union is one of the newest securities dealers. The entity, which began brokerage services on Monday, is the first standalone credit union to do this.
First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union, through its subsidiary FHC Investments, became the first credit union licensed as a securities dealer in the last few days. CEO of FHC, Roxanne Linton, says the process has been in train for some time.
Just in March 2022, just last week, would have received our license from the Jamaica Stock Exchange to be a member dealer, serving our members with stock brokerage type services. And so this has been in train we have had this strategic intent for a number of years, truth be told. However, with a new recruit through our general manager, Mrs. Carleen Mullings, we're able to really get all the various activities done over the last year and a little bit to get us to this position.
Monday was the first day of trading, and since then, at least 20 customers have made orders. FHC Investment hopes to leverage the 200,000-person customer base of its parent company. General Manager of FHC Investments, Carleen Mullings, says the move was critical based on the current investment demands of clients.
We've seen where the markets have changed significantly over the years. Gone are the days when investors looked for repo products, repurchase agreements issued by Government of Jamaica. They are now looking for other investment types. And so we've seen where our clients have been demanding, a wider array of securities to invest in. So what this means is that FHC Investments will now be able to broaden or expand our product offerings.
The addition of brokerage services is expected to increase FHC Investments' revenues by 6%. In 2 years, it hopes to see the segment contributing 10% of the investment arm's earnings. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Banks and cambios are selling the U.S. currency for an average $154.13. $123.98 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $203.80 for the pound, and $173.78 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,926 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 50 points. Among the winners, Portland JSX, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Lasco Manufacturing, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. On the losing side were KLE Group, Epley 5% preference shares, Blue Power Group, Lasco Financial Services, and Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.